Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into an exciting comparison to find out what's the best bank for traveling, Monzo, Revolut, or Starling. As the world becomes more connected, and as we all catch that travel bug, having a bank that keeps up with our adventures is more crucial than ever. The rise of digital banking has transformed the way that we access our money abroad, offering convenience, security, and often significant savings on fees. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be a bit of a maze. So today I'm breaking it down for you, comparing these three giants based on what matters most to us travelers: fees, rates, currency exchange, travel insurance, and those extra travel-friendly features that make life on the road or in the air just a little bit easier. So let's get started with Monzo. This bank is a favourite for many travellers thanks to its no foreign transaction fees. When you're roaming in the European Economic Area, you can withdraw cash without worrying about extra charges up to a very generous limit. And when it comes to currency exchange, Monzo has your back by passing MasterCard's exchange rate directly onto you, with no hidden fees. For those looking for a bit more, Monzo Premium steps it up with travel insurance provided by Zurich, ensuring you're covered on your adventures. Plus, with Monzo, you're always in the loop thanks to instant alerts on your spending, and the option to upgrade for even more perks like unlimited cash withdrawals in the EEA, and enticing discounts on airport lounges. Next up, we have Revolut. With its standard plan, you can enjoy a degree of fee-free spending overseas, but do keep an eye on the limits to avoid unexpected charges. One of Revolut's standout features is its competitive exchange rates, ensuring your money goes further when you travel. However, it's worth noting that during weekends, a small markup applies, so plan your transactions wisely. Revolut's travel insurance on its premium, metal, and ultra plans can be a game changer, offering peace of mind for you on your journeys. And it doesn't stop there. Revolut makes managing your finances a breeze with a clear account overview and seamless integration with Google Pay and Apple Pay, making transactions smooth wherever you are. Last but not least is Starling. This bank is a strong contender with its straightforward approach. No fees on foreign card payments or ATM withdrawals, making it incredibly traveler-friendly. Like Monzo, Starling also offers MasterCard's real exchange rate, ensuring transparent and fair currency exchange. Starling keeps you informed with instant alerts on your spending in real time and in both currencies. The bank's spending insights and saving spaces features are perfect for those who love to organize their finances meticulously, adding an extra layer of convenience to your travel budgeting. When it comes to managing your money abroad, ATM withdrawal policies and foreign transaction fees can make a big difference. Monzo offers a traveler-friendly approach with no foreign transaction fees and fee-free cash withdrawals within the EEA. But once you step outside of the EEA, you're allocated £200 for every 30 days for free withdrawals. After that, a 3% charge kicks in. It's a setup that requires a bit of budgeting for longer trips or frequent cash withdrawals. Revolut, on the other hand, places monthly restrictions on fee-free ATM withdrawals, regardless of where you are in the world. This means you'll need to keep an eye on your withdrawal habits to avoid extra charges. It's a model that suits the occasional traveler, but might require some planning for more extensive journeys. Starling shines in this category, offering fee-free foreign card payments and ATM withdrawals with a very generous daily limit, making it a strong contender for those who prefer hassle-free access to their funds anywhere in the world. All three banks leverage MasterCard's competitive exchange rates, ensuring that you get a fair deal when spending in foreign currencies. However, Revolut adds a twist with its weekend markup, a small percentage added to the exchange rate when markets are closed. This could impact your spending if you're making large transactions over the weekend, so it's something to bear in mind when planning your travel finances. Travel insurance is also something very important to consider. It's a vital component for peace of mind while exploring new horizons. Monzo offers travel insurance with its premium package provided by Zurich, which includes a range of coverages suitable for the average traveler. Revolut includes travel insurance in its paid plans, offering varying levels of coverage depending on the plan you choose. This makes both banks solid options for travelers who prioritize insurance. Starling, however, doesn't offer travel insurance, which might make it a consideration for those who rely on the bank for comprehensive travel coverage. On top of these account features, there's a few other things we need to consider, such as customer service. When you're miles away from home, knowing that help is just a call or click away can be reassuring. All three banks offer robust customer service, which is essential for international travelers across different time zones. They all offer user-friendly apps, which is crucial for managing money on on the move. Consider which app's interface and functionalities align best with your personal banking habits. It's also important to consider security features. The safety of your funds and personal information should never be compromised. Features like card freezing, biometric security, and fraud detection are standard across Monzo, Revolut, and Starling, offering you peace of mind as you travel. In conclusion, Monzo, Revolut, and Starling each offer compelling features for travelers, but the best choice depends on your unique needs. Monzo's travel insurance and premium perks make it a great option for those seeking comprehensive coverage and benefits. Revolut's competitive exchange rates and digital wallet compatibility are ideal for tech-savvy travelers looking for flexibility, and Starling stands out for its straightforward, fee-free approach to spending and withdrawals abroad, appealing to those who value simplicity and transparency. I hope this video helped you make the best choice for you. Thanks for watching.